What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to show you how you can get access to a free affiliate marketing training. But first, let me show you quickly my earnings by promoting this high ticket product, which is Freedom Accelerator. I'm going to refresh the page so you can see that these are my real results. So these are not crazy results, but these are my real results, guys. So check this out. I have been making commissions every single month by promoting this product. 454, 128, 135, and so on and so forth. I'm making commissions every single month. Now, let me show you the training that if you want to get access, you can click the link in the description that says free affiliate marketing training, and it's going to, so when you click that link, it's going to open this page, and then you just need to click on this button and write your name and your email, and I'm going to send the free training through email. Now let me show you what are the modules of this free course. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, guys. And the name of this training is Freedom Ascension, Mapping Your 9-to-5 Exit Strategy, how this unfair tool software clones a 7-figure business in seconds. So basically here you will learn on lesson number 1, what is the best side hustle online to quit your job. So you just need to scroll down and click here to watch the video. So this is the course introduction. So this whole course was created by Jonathan Montoya, and he explains how you can get out of your 9-to-5 job. So for example, in this lesson, he will explain you how, what are the business models that he tried when he was like intending or trying to get to financial freedom. For example, he tried Amazon FBA, he tried crypto, forex trading, and a lot of stuff. Then he talks about how he started with affiliate marketing. On lesson number 2, the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job. So check this out. So here we have all, so you're going to have all this information. So what is the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job? So example of affiliate marketing, how does affiliate marketing work? Can beginners do high ticket affiliate marketing? And a lot of stuff, a lot of things here. So on part number 3 or lesson number 3, the actual target you need to hit your quit your job. So one of the most important things in affiliate marketing is collecting leads, collecting emails. So basically there are stats that explain that we can make around from 50 cents to $1 per email per month that we have in our email list. So basically, if we have good copywriting skills, and if we have a number of 10,000 emails, so we can make between if we have good copywriting skills, we can make around $10,000 per month. And if we don't have like good copywriting skills, we can make like $5,000 per month. But basically, the more emails we collect, the more money we can make in affiliate marketing if we have the right system. We have built this automated sales system that works 24/7, and if we are promoting good high quality offers and good high quality products. So, and here you need to answer this question. For example, how many emails do you need to quit your job? For example, if you want in affiliate marketing 10K, if you want to earn 10K per month, so you need to collect at least 10,000 emails. So check this out. What you should build an email list. So example of email marketing campaigns. So the numbers you need to reach to quit your job. So that was I was talking about. How does high ticket affiliate marketing work? What is the affiliate tracking ecosystem? How to build an email list with lead magnets. So he's going to explain in these lessons why it's so important to build your own email list. Then on part number 4 or lesson number 4, supercharge your results with using AI. So you can utilize artificial intelligence to create content. On part number 5, how to build your high ticket affiliate system for free. So you can utilize system.io, that is a funnel builder, and basically you can set up that automated sales system on system.io. So you can have your own opt-in page. So instead of sending traffic to your affiliate link, we need to send traffic to that opt-in page. And once we have collected that information, you can redirect those people to your main core offer. And if they buy, you can make a commission in the front end. And then for all the people who don't buy the products in the front end, you can build this email sequence with multiple emails, a lot of emails, and inside of the emails you can put your affiliate links for your main core offer and your supporting offers. For example, in the system that I have with funnelfreedom.io, I have there an entire year of emails. So because it's important to have a lot of emails, guys. So that is part number 5. Part number 6, once you have set up that system, you need to start sending customers. You need to send traffic. And so Jonathan explains on this lesson 6 ways to get free affiliate marketing traffic. Now, it's important for you to know that this requires work and time, guys. So making commissions with affiliate marketing, it's simple to understand what you need to do, but you need to work every single day on creating content, and you need to work hard at the beginning because, for example, my main traffic source is YouTube, and I'm creating YouTube videos every single day. I'm doing these lives every single day, and what I'm seeing is that the more lives I do, the more content I upload on my YouTube channel, so I collect more leads, and that is how we are going to have a high probability to make commissions once we have set up that system. So Jonathan Montoya is going to explain you here 6 ways to get traffic. And on lesson number 7 or part number 7, the unfair tool that automatically promote multiple high ticket affiliate offers. So I have a lot of videos about this tool, guys, which is Funnel Freedom. Is this software in here. I have, so basically this free course that I explained you, in which you can learn how to start affiliate marketing. So this is the lead magnet that I'm giving away. And if, for example, you can utilize funnelfreedom.io, I'm going to put another link in the description so you can get access to a 14-day free trial. And you are going to basically copy and paste these 7 figures done for you system, which has the funnel, which is this funnel, the free course opt-in page, the bridge page, and the free course that you can give away. And also you're going to have the nurturing sequence, which are the emails that your email list is going to start, is going to receive. Basically 1 email per day or 2 days. And inside of those emails, I'm promoting multiple affiliate products and offers. And so these are the nurturing sequence. Right now we have 3 nurturing sequence published, and we have this one on the draft. But this is all the back end of the sales funnel. And this is important because people don't buy at the first interaction. And once we have collected that information, we can nurture those people by sending emails. And it takes time, guys. It takes time to start getting results. But once you start creating content, so at the beginning it's hard to make commissions. But if you are willing to put in the work and create content and start sending traffic to your own ecosystem of products, it's going to be a matter of time to start getting the results and getting the commissions, because that is how I'm making these commissions. I have this automated sales system, and I create content on my social media, and some people resonate with my own story, and they write their information on my links, the links of my funnel, and they access my ecosystem of products and the softwares that I have to promote my main core offer and supporting offers, start sending those emails to my email list. And basically that is my strategy, guys. And it takes time, and I want to be clear on that because some people get discouraged when they don't have fast results. And I'm going to tell you that affiliate marketing, so people say that it's free. I don't think that it's free, because you are using your time to work on this side hustle, so it's not free. And other people say that it's easy, and I think that this is not easy, because you need to do things every single day. But if you're willing to work, guys, you can find the link of the free course in the description. And also, if you want to get access to the 14-day free trial of funnelfreedom.io, you will find that link in the description of this video. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Remember to click the notification bell, and talk to you soon, and God bless.